Right here is all of your photo streams. You upload photos. Uploading photos. These are some photos that I uploaded when I made my account. Okay. Right here. This is where you go to upload photos. Click upload. And you can upload photos from your own gallery or whatever. I currently don't have any photos to upload. So you can upload up to 1,000 photos. I currently have 3, so I have 997 more photos or videos. Go back home. Right here is all the activity. So if I were following a bunch of people, all of their uploads from videos and pictures, right here under all the activity. Right here is people that I follow. I currently only follow Flickr. So that's the only people, that's the only account that's right here. If I follow more people, it'll be a whole list right here. Groups, I'm not currently in any groups, but I can join groups. It's in like black and white group. Right here, this is where you agree to join certain groups, and I agree to join the black and white group. So I'm part of the black and white group. And here are just more groups that you could possibly join. Okay, right here, this is about me. This is my photo stream. I have my phase, my galleries, my groups, my camera roll, recent activities, and all of that. Right here is where you explore your recent photos, what's trending, Flickr galleries, blase. It's where you create. It's where you get pro. I currently do not have Flickr Pro, but Flickr Pro, you have more options and you have more abilities and have more things that you can do. Unlimited storage. So I currently have 1,000 photos and videos, but this is unlimited photos and videos. Ad-free browsing, so no more ads. Advanced stats, you get more detail and more things you can do and more. And that's how you do that. This is my photo stream. This is my profile picture. You upload a profile picture, you click on the profile picture thing, and you click on anything. You can, so if I select this, I click on select, I can change this to my profile picture, but I currently like my profile picture, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back. Right here, it shows how many followers you have and people you're following. And all of that. This is your notifications. All notifications you get will come up right here. So if somebody posts, somebody likes or comments on one of your posts, you will see all that right here. It will be a small little red number right here to indicate that you have notifications. But if you click on the picture in the top right, it tells you how many items you have, lets you upload pictures, shows you your Flickr mail, your settings, your help, your logout. Click on my settings. It's personal information. If I scroll down, it's my account information. So I can change my password, my login email, and all of that. It's my name. I change my name. I change display name. It's a bunch of things you can change in the personal information. Privacy and permission. So you change your privacy settings and all of that. Email notifications, your emails. You can change how you get. You can change what notifications you get sent to your email. That's how you can share stuff through Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, etc. Right here, you can search people. You can search photos that you would like to find, and you can search groups. You can search the black and white group. Here's the black and white group, and they have a bunch of more black and white groups. I'm currently joined to this one, so this just shows what in my group will pop up first. Click on my galleries. I currently have no galleries, but if I did, I can put all my black and white photos in the gallery, my color photos in the gallery, my nature photos in the gallery, different stuff like that. Right here's my stats. This is if I had Flickr Pro. I would have a bunch of stats and more stuff that I can look at. These are your stats, recent views, and this and that. My faves. This is where I can put some of my favorite photos, videos, or etc. This right here is where I can write about myself. I can showcase my favorite pictures, videos, etc. And let me show you guys how to comment. Okay, this is a black and white picture from my black and white group. So I'm gonna comment. I can right here and view the comments. Get some comments. Great photo. I'm gonna comment great photo and comment. And I'm also liked it. Click this little star. I favored it. Click this little star, and that's one of my favorites. And I can also share this photo to like Facebook or other social media sites. And I can add this to one of my galleries if I wanted to. There's just a bunch of pictures from my group. If I was in multiple groups, it'd be multiple different pictures everywhere. If I follow different people, it'd be a bunch of different pictures and stuff everywhere. And that's that. Click on my recent activity. Shows my comment I just made 55 seconds ago on that post, on this black and white post right here, the community bookstore. It shows that I commented on it. That's one of my recent activities right here. And that is a in-depth rundown of how to use Flickr.